And thank you so much sa pagpunta po ng lahat ng mga kapamilya natin ngayon. At talagang kahit busy kayo, ay sinamahan nyo kami. Agad-agad, eto na po, ipapakilala natin at tatawagin ang director natin, of course, Direk May Cruz of YAR. Palakpakan naman natin, everybody! Yes, ako si Direk May. Kanina nung sumilip ako sa taas, busy. Dahil balita ko, Direk, kinukunan niyo po ang parang finale or ending scene, ganyan. Ayan, pa-ending. Naku talaga, salamat Direk at napaunlakan natin ang ating Vloggers Con. Susunod, tawagin naman natin, eto, Gerald Anderson. Ayan. Na kanina lang nakita ko rin, nakahiga pa dun sa kanyang hospital bed. Ayan, Gerald. Magandang hapon. Hello sa'yo. Yes, dito tayo, Gerald. Tabi tayo, Direk May. Next, tawagin natin ang very beautiful. Talaga namang parang nakikita ko, nananalamin ako. Liza Soberano. Parang lahat kami word. Liza! Oy, naku talaga, tin-shirt lang tayo ni Liza. Oh, ganda. Diba? Ang bongga-bongga. And of course, para makompleto na tayo dyan si Liza, let us all welcome Enrique Hill! Ayan! Diba nga? Hi Liza! Hi Enrique! Hello! Yes, hi! Magandang hapon. Yes, ito na nga. Hello. Yes. O, tayo muna po tayo lahat. Direk, Gerald, Liza, and Enrique. Compress tayo ng very live para tayo lahat ay magkakasama sa picture taking. Okay, ayan. Kasama natin ang Push. Nandito syempre. And we are live, I think, no? Wala tayong live streaming via ABS-CBN, but meron tayo sa whatsapp.com. No, kuya?
What's up? Thank you.
Meron ba? Ay, sa Star Cinema Periscope, meron tayo. Ayan. Ayun. Ang social. May Periscope na talaga naman. Naku, diba nalokot ka, ha?
Pag may signal ka.
Yes. Correct. Ayan. Okay na po ba? Thank you so much. Pwede po tayo munang maupo at ngayon naman sabay-sabay nating panoorin ang ating full trailer ng Everyday I Love You. Ayan, dito tayo. Urong muna tayo. Okay.
You know what? Yung trabaho. You need to fall in love. I don't want to fall in love. Asa na lang.
She's always chasing after a dream.
Ethan, you are good at what you do, but you still have a lot to learn. That's why I'm sending you to our government office.
What?
She's waiting for the man of her dreams.
Hi, love. Day 165. Walang nagbago. Naghihintay sa'yo. Naghihintay pa rin sa'yo. I love you.
When their paths cross,
May laga, sir. Sorry to see your smiles. May ibati mo, ha?
Ano ginagawa mo?
Enjoying the view? Audrey.
Ikaw na naman?
You're cute.
Ikaw hindi.
You're the one.
Ano?
Alex, she's the one. She's a nice photo girl and she's perfect for my show.
he changed her every day.
Hoy, ano ginagawa mo?
I know you wanna do this, so come on, let's do this! That's what will sell, Audrey. Yan ang magugustuhan ng tao.
Pero hindi yun ang magugustuhan ni Tristan.
May sakit siya. And you have to make decisions to keep him alive.
And she changed him every day.
Oh, ready ka na?
Yes.
Rehearse natin ano sasabihin.
You want my heart?
Yes. Ang swerte mo. Mahal ka niya.
But when the day comes,
Tristan, gising ka na please. Kanina pa nararamdaman ko. Dapat ikaw na ang mahal ko eh.
will she choose the man of her dreams?
Happy anniversary, love.
Happy anniversary.
I love you.
Or the man who makes her dreams come true?
I love you! I love you! I love you! I love you!
Starring Gerald Anderson, Liza Soberano, and Enrique Hill.
Mahirap ka labanin ng first love.
Every Day I Love You. Directed by May Cruz Alviar. October 28 in cinemas nationwide.
Yon, October 28 in cinemas nationwide. Everyday I love you mga kapamilya. At syempre ngayon oras na para simulan natin ang ating mga question and answer portion. Yes, ako muna magtatanong na para kay Direk May agad-agad. Direk Iskina, while watching the trailer, English na po, seryoso naman talaga. So perfect, okay. While watching the trailer, Direk, bakit po tas narinig ko pa yung sounds, ganyan. Bakit po Everyday I Love You ang naging title? Bakit hindi po All of My Life?
Hindi, tapos na yung panahon na title natin ng ang theme song. And at the same time, because nakita naman natin from the trailer, di ba, na she's waiting for him to wake up. So everyday I love you. Parang it's like everyday she's waiting for him and everyday she tells him she loves him. But of course, meron nang nagiging ibang context yung everyday I love you nung dumating si Ethan. So Ethan's everyday also changed kasi everyday he was falling in love with her. Yan.
Parang ang ganda-ganda naman maging si Liza, di ba? Sa scene na to talaga, eksena. Oo, yes. First question, second question, sinong gustong magtanong? Simulan na natin ito. Lahat kayo parang busy-busy sa cellphone, nasa na text-text na lang. Chika, ikaw muna, the sweet box. Okay, ito yung microphone. Ayan.
Hi guys.
Wow.
Congrats in advance. Sweet box. Ayan. First lang for Enrique and Liza. Congratulations kasi follow up agad na within the year, di ba? Na Just the Way You Are. Kamusta yung feeling na may follow up agad yung movie ninyo? Yung first film ninyo together?
Siyempre masaya po. Masaya, it's always a blessing pag may project kang natanggap. Siyempre, we're just happy, you know, to be back in the big screen. At ngayon naman, they wanted to bring us or present us in a more mature way. So something that they've never seen us before, more mature characters, mas seryoso yung story na gusto nilang gawin. Yung sinabi na after Just the Way You Are, so sabi namin, okay, it's gonna be new, I guess, for the people. So let's give it a shot. So, we're happy, excited.
Ayun, we're happy. We're happy kasi syempre, nabigyan kagad kami ng work and syempre, we're excited also kasi it's always fun to do a new project with new people and to learn new things.
And to be back with Direk May. Kasi next time kami sa Season 1 and we're back together, so yeah.
Oo, tama. Hindi pala ako confess. Okay.
Wala ka taping yun?
Wala.
Ay, next. How was it working naman with Gerald?
I worked with Gerald before, nung Budoy, sa Till My Heart Aches, and it's always a joy working. It's an honor. So, yeah, we're just really blessed for this project. Kasama sila. Yeah.
Yun, masaya, makulit din siya. And it's easy to work with him kasi syempre magaling po siya umarte and it's easy to get along with him.
Okay na.
Wow, may parelo. Hindi ka naman pala. Hindi ka naman nagawa agad.
Ako naman.
I will add lang na kasi we're very grateful that Gerald accepted this project. Kasi sa totoo, no, seriously, kasi sa totoo, when the story was pitched sa akin and we were discussing it, parang sabi namin, who could play the boyfriend na who could play that role? Kasi you can't just put anybody there. Kailangan compelling. Kailangan yung parang magiging torn yung character ni Audrey. Magiging torn din yung audience. Who will they root for? So, tas meron syempre merong depth yung kailangan nung artista na yon. So, we're very grateful that he accepted the project. I know na parang, di ba, parang, syempre tatlo sila dito, but he accepted the project because na-pitch sa kanya and he liked the concept and yun nga, and he's perfect for the role kasi hindi basta kahit sino lang ang pwedeng ilagay dun sa role na yun.
And in addition lang, kasi kanina we're discussing, parang ang galing nung, kasi parang bumalik yung PBB days na aura ni Gerald. Ganun ka.
Hindi ko alam kung matutuwa pa ako.
Ikaw, wala ka rin ko.
Pero dahil Gerald.
Parang sa camera po ba? Or what's the magic behind?
Pinabata niya ako ng 10 years.
Hindi ko ko lang.
So, na-shoot na nila yun pagpasok pala ng PBB.
May ano talaga siya. As in, sabi ko gusto ko naman beauty shots talaga. Pero, alam mo yun, hindi naman pang beauty lang naman yun eh. I think it's his aura. Parang siguro nagkataon na Oo, kasi kahit naman, anong gawin mo sa di ba? Camera ko yung aura ng tao so yun. So I think it's him.
Yung aura ko pang PBB.
Congrats for that.
Ang gwapo-gwapo talaga ni Gerald nung pinapanood ko yung yung trailer.
And last na lang, for Gerald, kamusta naman yung, may level up ba sa part mo since you're paired with Liz Ken this time?
Level up?
Or what extra effort you make?
Siguro kasi syempre, kumbaga, love team na kasi sila. So parang, pag pinanood mo, parang, pag sinabi mo may project kami tatlo, iisipin mo na, ay, sila na talaga yung di ba? Pero pag pinanood mo yung trailer and with the story, parang, on my challenge sa part ko is, paano ko iparamdam sa audience na, ay, sino kaya dapat, di ba? The man of her dreams or the man who makes her dreams come true. Yung tao na may pauna ka na, may feelings ka na, or sa tao na magbibigay sa iyo ng mga opportunities, yung mga sarili mong pangarap. So it happens to everybody. So yun yung challenge ko is every time pag napanood mo ako sa eksena or pag napanood mo ako sa trailer or sa movie, yung feeling na makukuha mo, parang, sino kaya dapat, diba? Who deserves her love? Yun yung challenge para sa akin. And syempre may chemistry na sila, automatic. So working with Liza was a first time ko, so isa pa yung challenge. But it was really easy dahil napakagaling din ni Liza. And her fans are, matutuwa talaga yung fans niya dito kasi it's a different Liza talaga. She really gave it her best and gave it her all.
Ayan. Talas na talaga.
Okay lang.
Fan question for Liza and Enrique. Ano daw yung gusto mo every day that you like to see about each other? Aside from saying I love you every day.
Gusto ko makita siya everyday, syempre. yun yung una. Gusto ko I just want to see her happy. Ayun. Syempre.
Di ba Liza? Ganda.
Ako din po, I just want to see him happy every day.
Gaya-gaya.
Hindi ako gaya-gaya. Dapat nauna pala ako.
Ayun. Okay na. The sweet box. Thank you so much. Ang cute, diba? Thank you so much, the sweet box. Ngayon naman, Jude. Cartalada. Meron ba, Jude?
Hello. I'll throw one question for the four. Based dun sa characters or like while doing the film, what do you know about love and how do you want to spend love with someone you love at a limited time?
Ako talaga.
How
How do you spend love with a limited time? Kasi first of all, totoo naman limited talaga ang time natin sa mundo. So, hindi naman natin talaga alam. It can be tomorrow that we will be gone or maybe it will be 10 years, 15 years. So, you just max out every single minute and iba-iba kasi ang language of love ng mga tao eh. So each person will, kanya-kanya yan. So may mga tao na mag-gift. So language of love is gift giving. Ako, personally, my language of love is, I say it. I give my time. I also like giving gifts. Pero yun, parang in any way possible, in any minute, yun. Pwede mong ibigay yun. And I wanna max it out. Lahat ng ways, lalo kung limited. And it doesn't mean kailangan maging comatose yung person. The fact that we are living and breathing, ayun, making the most of it lang. That's what I do to my husband.
Jude, alam mo na. True to life.
Yeah.
Siguro, yun, tama po yung sinabi ni Drag na iba-iba may mga nagbibigay ng regalo, may mga nag-spend ng time with each other. Siguro yun po yung Like ako, pag sinurprise mo siya, yung sobrang